This is my room. Like many hotels, I have to open my front door with this little white card. And I've entered my studio now. So on my left hand side, that's the radiator. And I've reached my living and dining area here. And this studio would provide like some basic furniture, including a table, 2 chairs, a very comfortable sofa, and a huge bed on my right. Trust me, the mattress is perfect. And on my left, that will be my working studio or my working station with a large, long desk and 2 huge cupboards and some shelves on the walls to put your decorations, the things you like over there. And behind me, this is the cooking stations where you have your own HOB, your own sink, and most importantly, a fridge for you to store your food. Though it's not very huge, it's enough for 1 person to live here. And more importantly, you also have this microwave oven, so you can microwave your food. Also, it has the grilling and baking function as well, so you can use it as a griller. And I'm going to show you my wardrobe. So behind this door, this is the place where you put and store your jeans, your clothes, your jackets, your shoes. Yes, many shelves. And last but not least, behind this door is the toilet. This is a place where you take your shower, you brush your teeth, wash your face, and that's it.
I'm currently standing outside the premises of Griffon Studios, and right opposite to the complex is the Clapham Junction station, where I take the train to London Victoria and transit to London Underground for the tube to South Kensington. It just takes half an hour for me to arrive to campus, and another 8 to 10 minutes walk from the studios. You will find supermarket chains such as Asda and Lidl for your daily grocery purchase, so it is very convenient. If you ask me what's the best thing about living here in Griffon Studios, then I will tell you there is huge amount of opportunities for you to meet different people here. It's because Griffon Studios has a very diverse, wide range of residents living here. They're not only like Imperial College students, but there are also students from LSE, from UCL, from other universities in London. So if I just hang out in the common room, then I will be able to meet people from other universities and in other blocks within the complex as well. So we always hang out together in the common room, we play a table soccer, we share our food, we chat in the common room. So I really enjoy that moment. Like different people, they're grouping themselves together, sharing ideas, and just feel free to open a dialogue with anyone in this premises.